Hey, what's up everyone? Bit Me Son back with another Hbar video. So in today's video we're just gonna go over a few different charts. I'm gonna make this video a little quick. Sorry about not making a video yesterday. My microphone isn't working right now, so I'm using the computer's microphone. That's why it kind of sounds a little weird. But get this video to 5 likes and I'll make a second video later today with the new microphone. I'm gonna go buy a new microphone later today, so I'll have another video for you guys if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys for sticking with me. Life has just been a little hectic lately, especially with everything going on. So, just bear with me if you guys wouldn't mind. I appreciate you guys very much. You guys are what get me through my day. So the fact that I look forward to making these videos for you guys, it just seems like this is the only place that I could just be myself and relax, so I appreciate you guys for always watching and sticking with me, so let's just jump right into it right now. So this was a 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we're starting to break above a lot of these let's say trend lines, so we're pretty much breaking a lot of them right now. So the next target would be this top area line up here. So yeah, I think that's where our next decision area will be at. We are moving upwards, as you can see from this bottom wick up to this area. We are moving upwards. So I think if we continue this route, the thing is too is we could break underneath it and then still come up and then possibly break up like this. Well, but then again, it needs to be, this is looks like the bottom-ish for everything, so it probably would want to stay above that line that I just made right now. So if we break that, then it can't really go any lower than this, and then if we break that, then we're gonna probably hit this bottom line. This is on the daily, so if you guys notice, what I usually do when I look at a daily chart, I look at the day before to let me know what we were coming from. So the fact it was green let me know today most likely will be bullish, so I might not take a short so much compared to a long, you know what I mean, just because of that. Like I said, it's always different, but that's just kind of an indicator. So especially we see 2 greens, that kind of was letting us know for the last 2 days we've been at least a little bit bullish. So it's probably better to take longs that day. Not all the time, but like I said, just a few times. It kind of works out. Just to keep that in mind. Another little idea to keep in mind. So this right here is on the 15-minute chart. Let me refresh it. Alright, so this is on a 15-minute time frame. We are bumping up right now. You see there is a big green candle right there. Let me see. This will be the next area I believe we need to stay above. Alright, let me see. This area right here. That area. So if we break above that, let's see, the price will be 1069. So if we break above 1069, then we'll be seeing some new pricing up, some new higher pricing. But if not, then I think this bottom area could be this next decision area. And this is on a 15-minute time frame, so this is gonna happen a little bit faster, but it'll kind of let me know what's gonna happen. So look, pretty much, if we break this green line, then we're going to see higher pricing. If we break this green line to the bottom, then we're going to see lower pricing. So just kind of depends on where it heads. But like I said, what I'm thinking is we are moving upwards in this trend line. So if that's the case, then I think we could at least possibly at least make it up to this line before we get rejected. And if you notice, this little area right here is all, it's just big candles. So what that does is the big candles, it's what it does, it kind of chops through those big candles a lot easier, you know. Whereas if we had like stuff like this, like all these choppy ones, if they were all in that area right here, it's harder to break through, because it's either we got more sellers in that area or we got more buyers in that area. So it always, it's real close together. Whereas you see a big giant candle like that, it's just like it's a big move, so there's not so much support and resistance in these areas. So if we break these areas, they're easier to break compared to, like I'm saying, compared to trying to break one of these areas. So we'll definitely keep that in mind. Alright, let me just do a few price targets. I'll do this one on a 4 hour. I like doing 4 hour time frame. I mean, you could do price targets on whichever time frame, but I like doing 4 hour because it's more of a, it's more confirmation than like a 15-minute, you know. So alright, so current price right now is 1063, and that's pretty much exactly where we're getting this resistance at. So we need a break above that for us to see higher pricing. So we need to break above 1063, and the low is 1034. So if we break 1034 going down, then we're going to see lower pricing. If we break it going up, then we're going to see higher pricing at 1064. So those are the next two major targets we need to watch out for. We did cross right here recently on the on the moving averages, the 50 and 25. If you guys can see them, these two lines, we did just cross right there. So the fact that we crossed kind of confirmed that move up, but it looks like we might be crossing back down again, and we're getting a long wick, and the candle next to it is, there's really no wicks on it. So it's looks like we're losing our buying pressure right now. So the thing is it might cool off for a little bit depending how low we go, but yeah, these will be the next targets right here. 1020. Oh man. 1020. Alright, so I think that could be the lowest if we do come down because of this moving average cross, because like it's a ladder like this. So you know that'll be where the ladder is at for that one. But yeah, so that's kind of just what I got so far for Hbar. If you guys like that video, please like and subscribe. And like I said, I'll make another video a little bit later today if we hit 5 likes, you know. So just give me 5 likes and we'll hit that. I'll make another video updating what's kind of going on. Alright, so I appreciate you guys for watching, and you guys all have a good day, and I appreciate everybody sticking with me, and we're not gonna stop, brothers. So keep going, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.